Have you ever wondered why some videos on YouTube get lots of views and other videos get low views? Have you ever wondered why some small channels get lots of views and other small channels get low views? You may find out that these two small channels are doing the same niche. They almost have the same number of subscribers, but one channel is getting lots of views and the other channel is getting low views. Now, let me tell you this one thing, and I want you to know this from today. YouTube is a game. YouTube is a game of strategies. If you know the right strategies, you're going to grow very fast. And if you don't know the right strategies, you're going to suffocate. Your channel is going to suffer. You're not going to get views. You're not going to get subscribers. You're not going to get watch hours. And you may end up quitting YouTube. Have you ever seen a new channel monetizing in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and then you find another channel 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it is not monetized? Have you ever wondered why? Now, in this video, I have the answer. And this video is very important. I'm going to say this again. This video is so important. Watch this video to the end if you really want to grow on YouTube, because whatever I'm going to say in this video, it is so important. Hey, what's up, creators? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to be here, my name is Ben. And on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So you're most welcome. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so that we grow our YouTube channels for success. All right, let's get started. The time that you upload your videos is very, very crucial on YouTube, and you have to know this. My uploading time is not your uploading time. If I upload at 4 p.m. and get my videos viral, it doesn't mean that if you upload at 4 p.m., your videos are going to go viral. Yes, even if we are doing the same niche and I upload at 4 p.m. and my videos get views, it doesn't mean that you're going to upload at 4 p.m. and your videos get views. Now, before you upload your next upload, I want you to go to your YouTube studio. You can use the YouTube mobile app or YouTube dashboard. But for this case, I'm going to recommend the YouTube Studio app. Go to your YouTube Studio app and go to your analytics. Under analytics, go to audience. And under audience, look for an option called when your viewers are on YouTube. Now, you may find this option with a graph that looks like this, or you may find this option without a graph. If you have enough information about your channel, YouTube is going to show you this graph. And if your channel doesn't have enough information, YouTube is not going to show you this graph. Now, I'm going to tell you two different options. If you have a graph, I'm going to tell you what to do. And if you don't have a graph, I'm also going to tell you what to do. Let me start with that person that finds a graph in this section. Now, when you see the purple color that is so bright, it literally means that during that time, during that period, your viewers are always online. And if you see the purple color has faded, it literally means that during that time, during that period, your viewers are always offline. Now, if this graph shows you that your audience, your viewers are always online around 2 p.m., don't upload at 2 p.m. immediately. Do this. Scroll down to your geography. Once you reach at your geography, this is what you're going to do. Look at the top country where your viewers are coming from. For my case, my top country is USA. Now, I'm going to use my example. If your audience are coming from the US, what you have to do, you have to upload your videos depending on that particular country that watches your videos the most. Now, this is what you're going to do. You have to make sure that from Monday to Friday, you upload your videos after work in the US. This is around 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Upload your videos around that time, okay? Now, this graph that shows when your viewers are on YouTube may not match the time of your most viewing country. As I said, my most viewing country is US. Now, this graph may show me that I have to upload at midday in my country. And at midday in my country, in the US, it will be already at night. people will be sleeping. So it literally means that I'm not going to follow this graph. I have to upload at the time the people that watch my videos most are awake. I have to upload at the time those people are free to watch my videos, because we all know people mostly work from Monday to Friday. And during daytime, during working hours, people are always working. So you don't need to upload your videos when people are working. Upload your videos when people are back home, when people are back from work. Now, the point is you have to upload depending on that country that watches your videos the most. Now, if you find that this graph is not appearing in your YouTube studio, it literally means that you don't have enough data, as I said before. This is what you're going to do. Make sure that you upload your videos at the time when people are out of work in your country. As I said before, people always begin to come back from work around 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So you should upload your videos between this time. And don't upload your video today around 3 p.m. and then tomorrow you upload around 7 p.m. Choose one particular hour that you upload your videos. The reason why you have to choose one particular hour that you upload your videos, you have to train the YouTube algorithm to know when to expect your videos. If you decide to upload around 3 p.m., make sure that every time you upload, you're uploading around 3 p.m. And do this from Monday to Friday. If there are weekends, you can upload your videos around morning time, either for people that are targeting the audience that watches their videos the most, the countries that watches their videos the most. Make sure during weekends, you upload your videos early. You can upload your videos around 8 to 11 during weekends. That is Saturday and Sunday. And during working days, upload your videos in the evening when people are back from work. But as I say, choose one particular hour that you upload your videos. If it is Monday to Friday and you decide to upload your videos around 3 p.m., make sure that every time you're uploading your videos in the working days, you upload them around 3 p.m. And if it comes to weekends, make sure that you choose one particular hour that you upload your videos. If it is 10 a.m., make sure that you upload your videos in the morning around 10 a.m. for every weekend that you upload your videos. As I said before, the reason why you have to upload your videos for one particular hour, you're training the YouTube algorithm when to expect your videos. That is point number one. The second point, you're training your viewers. You're letting them know when to expect your videos, okay? So this is so crucial and so important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to get more views, watch this video. In this video, I shared the most mysterious hack that can trick the YouTube algorithm to begin recommending your videos and get more views. So check out this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.